What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Snipes here again. In today's video, we're going to be talking about reversal, trend reversal, and trend continuation. You understand? So, what is trend reversal? In a term used to describe when a trend reverse direction, you understand? Trend reversal describe when the trend tends to reverse direction. For example, the market has been in an uptrend, you understand, and when price hits a major resistance level, it reverse and form a downtrend. You understand? That is what reversal means. You understand? So the question is now, where can reversal happen? You understand? Reversal can happen on support level in the resistance levels, Fibonacci levels. That is where reversal do happen in the market. You understand? So the next one is continuation. So what is continuation? In simple terms, continuation means that there is a main trend. For example, like in an uptrend, when what is happening in an uptrend, when you find out that you notice that the market is moving in an uptrend, you notice that the price will slow down and maybe consolidate for a little while and maybe fall back down a little, and it is just like a minor downtrend in a major uptrend move called a downswing. You understand? In a major uptrend. You understand? So when that ends, price resume in the original uptrend direction, and then it is called a continuation. You understand? So firstly, let me show you example of a reversal, trend reversal. You understand? Okay, in this case now, let's look at this level right now. Let's look at this level. Remember I said reversal simply means the market is in a trend, and the market hits a major support or a major resistance level, and the price reverse direction. You understand? So that is what reversal means. So in this case, you can see where the price broke out of this level. This was a resistance level that as it break out, it becomes support. So immediately it becomes support. When the market breaks up and goes up, it came back to this level and reacted to this level and buy to the upside. So this is called a reversal. You understand? The market is in an uptrend, then it hits a major level. You can see the major level here was a resistance level, then it reversed back to continue to the original direction. That is called reversal. You understand? It hit a major resistance level and reverse and form a downtrend. This is the downtrend. Then nextly it continue to the original direction. This is called a reversal. So it's very, very simple and very, very clear. Then continuation. You understand? We said continuation simply means that there is a main trend. You understand? If you could remember, there is a main trend, and in example, let's look for in a downtrend. This is a downtrend now. This is the whole downtrend. So when price was moving aggressively in this part, then suddenly price begin to slow down, then it resumed back to the original direction. So this is right here is called continuation. This right here is called continuation. So when you see something like this in the market, you feel like maybe price wants to change direction. No, it is price being slowing down. You understand? So this what happened here is called a minor uptrend. A minor uptrend in a major a downtrend. So it's called an upswing. And this thing now right here, sometimes it creates patterns. You understand? It creates patterns. Whenever a continuation happens. You see continuation happens like this in the market, it will create pattern for you to join the trend. You understand? So you can see immediately price broke out of this trend line, you begin to sell to the downside, and you can call this pattern maybe you can see this looks like a descending triangle. Yes, it looks like a descending triangle. So you can just call this a descending triangle. You understand? So this is what continuation simply means. And this is what reversal means. Reversal is when the market is in an uptrend, then the market hits a major resistance level, then reverse to form a downtrend, which is this, then continue to the opposite direction. You understand? Then continuation simply means the market is on a downtrend. You understand? The market has a main trend. You understand? There is a main trend in the market, and the market gets to a level whereby it hits a major resistance or support level, then it consolidates a little. Sometimes it will slow down, then fall back a little. You understand? To create a, maybe sometimes create little bit channel, or sometimes it will create a pattern. You understand? So that is what that is how to differentiate between trend reversal and trend continuation. So I believe it is very clear to you guys what I just explained. It's very clear. You can see this another example of trend continuation. This is another example of trend continuation. You see the market was in a downtrend, and it gets to this level, it begins to slow down. You understand? It begins to slow down, it consolidates for a little while, then it eventually broke out, then continue to the original direction. That is what is called continuation. You can see the continuation. This looks like a flag pattern. You understand? You can see it looks like a flag pattern. Immediately it breaks, it's short. It doesn't look like a flag pattern. It's a flag pattern right here. This is what a flag pattern looks like on the downtrend market. Then I said reversal. This is what reversal means. Reversal means where price hits a major resistance or support level, it's reverse and form a trend. Like in a downtrend like this, as the market was moving, it stopped right here where it found a support and reversed to form an uptrend, then eventually continues to the downside again. You understand? So I believe this is what I'm talking about here. This is clear. Let me just draw it very clearly so you understand perfectly what I'm talking about. So this, what happened here, is called a reversal trend. The market is in a downtrend, then it reversed and formed an uptrend, which is also called an upswing in a downtrend market. Then it continues to the downside, which is the downtrend. So that is called reversal. Then this one, the market is in the downtrend, and it stopped at maybe a major support level or resistance level. For this case, it stopped at a major support level in a downtrend. Maybe if we could go back, if we could zoom out a bit. Okay, there is no any other levels here. There is no any other level right here that we will say that is the level that stopped the market. But the market would stop in a particular point, then it will now consolidate a little bit. Sometimes it will fall back a little, maybe create a channel, a minor channel, or maybe create a pattern. So that is what continuation means. So in this case, it creates a flag pattern, then eventually continues the move to the downside. So as a breakout happens, the original trend continues. So I believe this video helps you understand clearly what a trend, let me just label it. I believe I should just label it so it will get more easier for you. This is trend continuation. It's trend continuation. Trend continuation. This trend continuation. You can see right here. I just label it. This is trend continuation. This trend continuation. Then this is trend reversal. This is a trend reversal. Trend reversal. This is a trend reversal. So I believe it's very clear to you right now. You see clearly what a trend reversal means and what a trend continuation simply means. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment in this video what you think, and what pattern of trading are you trading. Are you a swing trader? Are you a day trader? Comment that below on this video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.